Happy birthday. Wish ko mo ka more birthday to come. At sana lagi kayong malusog. Lalo na labda ka, I miss you. Ingat kayo lagi. God bless and I love you, boss.
Happy birthday, boss. Sana dakal pang birthday datang keka. Ingatan mo yung sarili mo. Ingat ka palagi, Ken. I love you. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya! 60 ka na sa 30. I love you. Wish ko na matupad ang lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. At marami pang birthday na darating sa'yo. Pati si Ate Raquel. Alam ko, love na love mo yan. I love you, mama.
Go!
Boss, happy birthday! Oh, boss! Happy birthday! Sana maraming birthday pang darating sa'yo. 60 ka na. Sana good health. Good health para... Happy birthday! Happy birthday, boss. Okay.
Hello everybody! Good evening! Ay ate! Ay mga pamangking ko magaganda at pogi, lalong-lalo na sa aking kuya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! I wish you all the best, kuya. Peace and good health. Mimingat lagi, Ken. At lagi la kuya, hing health mo, mapaboran. And ate, get well soon. Na-miss, happy ako. Back to TikTok, ate. Followers mo ko. And also my kuya, malapit ang birthday niya. Kaya I would like to greet you in advance. Happy birthday. Okay, love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye!
Yeah. Boss, happy birthday. Nadalain ko makaba po yung biyeta mo. Na biyabi tapa na yung dadtana ngayon yung mga tuwatana. Sana masaya aking birthday mo. At kami masaya mo naman. Sobrang mo ikita mo rin, lupong-lupong tamo mo rin. Happy birthday. Good luck. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ronald. My wish for you, good health and happiness. Happy 60th birthday.
Happy birthday, Ronald. Happy birthday. Enjoy your life. Oh, happy birthday.
Boss, happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Sana good health ka.
Boss, happy birthday. Ingat palagi.
Ikaw, happy birthday ako.
Happy birthday!
Birthday ako, 60th birthday ako. Mo ka, Joya!
Happy birthday, Kuya Ronald. Di na nakamasika na kami katawan ni nga pong Gino. Happy, enjoy. Love you.
Sa buong buhay, happy birthday!